Hello, and welcome to the 8th edition of our newsletter. Like always, here a short video where I summarize the biggest updates. And today, the biggest changes we introduced is HR access and especially multiple HR access. So now, when you add a client, you can select the responsible HR. And if you have multiple HRs, you can also select multiple HRs for a specific client or case. So to add HR, we just head over to the member section, invite member, and change the role to HR. The second update is regards notifications. So now when you add a client, as mentioned, you can select multiple HRs, but you're also able to assign multiple team members to receive notifications. So this means you can select a responsible member within your team who is responsible for this specific client. But next to that, you can also assign other team members who receive notification about this case. So this could be, for instance, if you just want someone else to receive all the notification regarding this case, or if it's a case to activate this for holidays, meaning that you could add the people here when you add the client, or if you go to the client details, edit client, you can also add the notification subscribers here. You can change the selected responsible member, or you can add HR to this specific case. The next update regards two-factor authentication. So now when you go under password, you can actually set up two-factor authentication for your account. Another feature we introduced is bulk upload. So for instance, if you are migrating to our platform or somewhere else you have documents or data of a specific client which you would like to upload in bulk to our platform, you can go to the client, you can open the client data card, and under documents, you can bulk upload different documents and assign them to this specific client. And in this case, we also made an update on how the download of document works. So instead of now downloading all the documents of the client, like downloading them by selecting specific ones, we also introduced now a new filter where you can select the workflow. So in this case, there's no workflow assigned, so we cannot do that, but I will show it to you in a second. So for instance, in this client example, we can select the workflow. In this case, it's just one. We select the workflow, and now our platform basically selects only the documents which are part of this specific workflow. And the last update, or the last feature we created, is basically the ability to automate the submission on government portals. So if you go to the section of government portals or auto submission to government portals in the newsletter, you can see a separate video. Like there's a link with a video, and there we show the new feature on how we automate the government submission. So instead of going to a government portal, inserting all the information manually, we can automate most step of the process now. Thanks so much, and I hope you enjoy our new features. Bye bye.